The VEVOR company sent me this hard case, and you could tell right away that it's built tough. We opened it up to check out all the features, and it has everything you'd want in a protective case. The heavy-duty construction, the pre-cut foam inside, and a waterproof rating. The foam is really great because it's easy to customize for different gear. We set it up for a remote control plane, but it also worked really great for cameras, tools, or any fragile equipment. I also thought it would be perfect for moving to keep like your most prized possessions in here to be able to protect them. It keeps everything secure in place without shifting around. The case itself feels super durable, and it even has automatic pressure equalization. The waterproof rating is the IP67, which is a huge plus and means your equipment stays safe from water, dust, and impact. I actually tested it with water in my tub, and afterwards the inside was completely dry. I was actually really surprised, because I put it to the test and it passed. One of the other standout features is the mobility of it. It has a retractable handle, and the wheels roll really smoothly, making it easy to transport. And the side handles are great for carrying it. They're padded and really comfortable. It also has two different spots where you can put a lock through it for an extra level of security, which is obviously great if you're traveling with expensive equipment. Overall, this is a really solid choice for anyone needing a rugged, waterproof storage case that you could use for travel, photography, tactical use, anything like that. This is a really great option worth checking out.